Hello there, my name is McHorse, and I want to quickly tease something. Do you remember the Eyes Rig 3.0? If you do, thanks to some new upcoming features in Blockbuster mod, I was able to greatly improve the Eyes Rig by adding bendable eyelids and eyebrows, which allowed me to expand the range of emotions Eyes Rig can produce. Here is the demonstration of new presets. As you can see already, there are twice as much eye poses, and more to come. Thanks to bending, it's possible to convey different moods of the character while having same pose of the rig's limbs. Here are some new poses I added, but these are not final. I will add more and might tweak some existing new poses, while leaving 3.0 poses untouched. So yeah, these are all poses at the moment. Let's take a look how the bends can be adjusted. The bending of the limbs work through a new feature introduced in 2.2 and polished in the upcoming 2.3 called Shape Keys, which is a feature of OBJ model loading system. You would be able to adjust these shape keys in the shape keys sidebar after you create a pose. By right-clicking the shape key list, I can add shape keys. Every one of these represent bending for specific limb. After adding a shape key, I can adjust the extent of bending using the factor field. Both positive and negative values can be used to adjust the bending direction and the extent to which it will bend. Relative option is required if you have multiple shape keys, so they wouldn't overshadow. So yeah, this is how it works, at least now. These shape keys can be also animated using animated poses in a similar way as poses would animate. Here is a sequencer as an example. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This new Eyes rig is certainly not for everyone. Some might like it, some might not, but I think these bends look very nice. Hopefully this will be released in next 2 months alongside with new Blockbuster update. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.